Hello everyone. Welcome to my travel vlog. My name is Gujrat. I study in class 2nd A. My school name is Lovely Vista School. Today I am in Gujrat and I will take you on an exciting trip to the Statue of Unity. The best time to visit this place is from October to March, and the nearest airport and railway station is Vadodara. Friends, let's go to the Statue of Unity. Wow! Look behind me. This is the Statue of Unity. I am speechless. It is the tallest statue in the world. Can you believe it? It is 182 meters tall. Amazing. It is standing near Narmada River. This is statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a great leader. We call him the Iron Man of India. Friends, let's go inside the statue. Inside the statue, there is a museum. We use lift to go up. Wow, friends, this museum is very beautiful. We can see photos and learn about Sardar Patel's life. Look, we are standing now at the viewing gallery. From here, I can see mountains, rivers and green trees. The view is beautiful. Friends, let's go down now. There are also big gardens called a Valley of Flowers near the statue. There are so many colorful flowers. After all the fun, I ate some snacks and drank water. Yummy! So friends, I had fun time at the Statue of Unity. I learned a lot and saw amazing things. Thank you for